Hey guys, so today I just wanted to make a short video showing you guys how you can make a simple post on your Facebook page. Now yesterday we just created this simple Dogs Are Us page. It doesn't mean anything, it's just used for examples. Yesterday we went over how you can make this logo right here and also how you can make your cover picture right here on canva.com. Today I just want to show you how you can make a simple post that you can then turn into a Facebook ad. Later is what we'll show tomorrow, how to actually create the ad. But basically you just have a website just like this. Most people know how to use Facebook. I explain it for those who aren't super familiar since I recently just got back into it. But you'll just click right here, and so let's pretend that we have a website, the Dogs Are Us website. Basically what we would do is you'd have a product that you know that you want to then create an ad for, which is our idea here. So basically we'll just type does your dog look bored, comma, then get him one of our famous dog toys. Okay, so this is just an example. So does your dog get bored? Then get him one of our famous dog toys. Get it for them here. And then I'm going to create the link here. So we'll pretend that we have a Shopify store called Dogs R Us. But really we're just going to go to Google, type in dog toys. So we'll just click on the first one. So we'll just click on this one here. Okay, so say for example we want to sell this little lamb. Okay, so I'll pretend this is our store. So what we'll do is we'll go onto the actual page where you can add to cart the actual toy, and we will just select all and copy it. We'll go back here and we will paste the link, so it'll automatically create a little page for you right there. And then down below, just so people will share it more, I'll add tag a friend whose dog also needs this. And then just to create scarcity, you can add supply is limited. Supply is limited. Okay, so right there you have the option where people can actually go and they can click on this. So then I'll publish this. So now this should appear right here at the top how it's going to look. So right here it says, does your dog get bored? Then get him one of our famous dog toys. Get it for them here. And then they can click on the link right there. They can also click on the picture. So it's a simple way you can create your first post and start posting onto your website. Now again, you don't always have to just keep posting for them to buy. You can also post other stuff on Pinterest. For example, you could go look up dog toys or dog quotes, other pictures, so it's not always you trying to sell, whereas you can just be trying to create awareness so that people know more about your brand. So that's a simple video. I just want to show you guys how you can create a simple post. Like I said, most people probably already know how to do this. It's just really simple. I just want to share with you guys the things that I'm learning and doing. Now tomorrow the video I'm going to make is how you can then create a Facebook ad based off of this post. So right here we're going to be able to actually go into Facebook ad account and run an ad on this post right here so that someone can then go over and purchase from your fake Shopify store for these dog toys. If you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching.